Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something very special, a sunflower dream catcher, using only one black marker pen and very easy steps. So, no colors, no pressure, just calm lines, peaceful vibes, and a little bit of magic in our drawing. So, guys, grab your marker, take a deep breath, and let's draw a dream that smiles back at us. Hmm. So, guys, here we have a little cute story for you. While I was drawing this sunflower dreamcatcher, the sunflower suddenly smiled and said, "Hey artist, I catch bad dreams, but I keep the happy ones." Then the dreamcatcher whispered softly, "Even when life feels black and white, I will filter your worries and let your dreams shine." I smiled too, because sometimes a simple drawing reminds us that hope does not need colors. So, guys, our sunflower dreamcatcher is complete, going to complete, simple, peaceful, and full of meanings. If this drawing made you smile or feel calm, don't forget to like the video and tell me in the comment section. And comment below and tell me what we should draw next. Till then, next time, keep drawing, keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember your dreams are always worth protecting. Okay, guys? See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.